So you're new to YouTube as I am. What equipment do you need to start? This is part 2 where I'm going to review 2 accessories to make more use of your smartphone and make your videos that much better. If you missed part 1, I'll link it in the video description box or click the title above. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here from Sing Through a Lens. Today I'm going to be reviewing 2 accessories to create the best YouTube experience from your smartphones. By the way, I'm passionate about watches, so a quick wristwatch check. This is the IWC Portuguese chronograph. I'll be posting a full review on this watch soon, so please be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder bell so that you don't miss a post. So, like me, you're starting up a YouTube channel. You may already have some expensive camera equipment. However, if you're starting out, you are probably going to be using your phone's camera. As we all know, modern phones have great cameras with many features to create cool and engaging photos and videos. But is it possible to enhance that experience by adding a few accessories that won't break the bank? So in this video I'm going to unbox and show you the 2 accessories that I bought just to make life a little bit easier. I'll post the links below so you can check them out for yourselves. So first off is the Olloclip mobile photography box set for the iPhone X. Here's the packaging. This kit includes the fisheye, macro 15 times and the super wide lenses. Let's open up the box. Put those down. So here you have the Olloclip lenses. I'm going to take them out now. So included in the box we have some instructions. We have the fisheye and super wide lens with the iPhone X clip and a clip so you can clip that on. And that's the macro 15 times lens. So these glass lenses are designed to deliver superior image quality. The fisheye has a 180 degree spherical effect. Super wide is a 4-element lens with over 120 degrees of field of view, and the macro is 15 times magnification for the ultimate close-up. These lenses are designed to be easy to use and attached to your iPhone X with no extra parts needed. Also, being kind of selfie ready, they work seamlessly on either the front or the back of the cameras, so you know, that's great too. So later on I'm going to do a part 2 of this video, so this is a part 2 of a part 2 video, and I'm going to be showing you the differences between these lenses and how they differ from using the standard iPhone camera lens compared to these guys, so stick around. So next up is the Rode VideoMicro on-camera microphone. This is a compact microphone designed significantly to improve the audio quality of your videos. It features a cardioid condenser microphone capsule for capturing great audio recordings. So let's see what we have here in the box. Got some instructions here, so should take a look and have a read of those at some point in time. We've got a cable for mounting it to a camera. So remember, if you want to mount it to a smartphone and use it with a smartphone, you have to buy the SE7 TRS to TRSS patch cable. So it looks like this, but that's what you need for connecting to a smartphone. We've got here the Rycote Lyre suspension mount, which you know, mount the microphone in there. This just screws onto your cold shoe attachment. You have the microphone here. It's got the windsock so that when you're outdoors you're not picking up any excess noise. That's quite handy. And you have the microphone itself. Good thing about this is there's no batteries required, so this will just fit into the mount. Let's see, like so. Probably better actually to fit it there. So it's going to be like that, mounted on top of your camera. So really, really good. And please remember, I'm going to be doing a comparison between the standard microphone on an iPhone and this microphone. So please check back to the channel or subscribe, set a reminder, so that you don't miss that. So that's the Rode VideoMicro microphone, on camera or for use with a smartphone. And guys, I'm not being paid or sponsored or anything for this equipment. I've bought it with my own money so that I can enhance the audio video experience from my smartphone. I'm new to YouTube, so just starting out. I'm trying to see what works, what doesn't work, and really trying to make things as good as I possibly can with what I've got. So please be sure to check back to the channel. Part 2 of this video will show the differences between the standard lens on the iPhone and this lens set, this Olloclip lens set, and also the microphone capabilities of this mic versus the iPhone mic. So thanks again for watching, folks, and leave your comments below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next part. Thank you.